Baja Blasto.
It's Baja Blast season.
Dude, I'm trying to blast on this Baja. Dude, that shit, I still have one left. It's really good with vodka.
Yeah, I know, it's fucking... I thought about just pouring some in just now.
It's pretty good.
What, a case of 6 for $2?
Yeah, shout out Walmart. Shit. For everything bad you do, it's redeemed for that one thing.
So we got something real sick today.
Shit, hold on. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get used to that. Look at all that shit over there, dude.
Look at all this shit.
I've had this for a while, but I took it off when we went on the road trip because I was gonna like make some trunk mount shit, but it never worked out. So we got that to put on, 2 side skirts, and a rear bumper. Somehow that hasn't melted yet.
Yeah, it's been on there since fucking Michigan. Tell the world why it's so significant that we're doing this.
That we're putting...
Yeah.
Because it's been so long?
Yeah, that's basically it.
What were you gonna say?
No, that's pretty much it.
I've had this car for like 3 years, and it's just been like the same for 3 years.
And basically got it to the point where it could run and drive, and he's like, yep, it's perfect now.
And then I hit up this guy with the side skirts. Well, I didn't even like know he had side skirts. I just posted on Instagram, and I was like, yo, anybody got side skirts for an 8.6? This guy from Olympia is like, yo, I do. So I drive down to Olympia, like an hour and a half away. I see his Corolla, and it has a front bumper, no side skirts, and no rear bumper. So I'm like, any chance you got a rear bumper? And he's like, yeah, I got one. So he goes back to like his backyard and grabs that. He's like, you can have this for $50. And I was like, fuck yeah. Because I was about to buy one of those on like eBay or some shit for $400.
Yeah.
And it's kind of beat up, but it's like...
Dude, it's better than nothing.
Yeah, it's just got a little chunk by the exhaust.
Yeah, I'll get a close up on it. That's kind of fucked up, but like, that's pretty much it looks like. Peace movement, wallaby movement. Oh, that's the ticket right there. Rear bump. It's gonna look insane with the side skirts on. That's so cool. Rear bump.
Doesn't even look like my car.
I know, it looks like a whole new machine out here. Send some zip ties to her and let's hit the side skirts. As far as I'm concerned, this bumper's on. If you did all those, like these boys all around, it'd probably be really good. The bumper's on. It's pretty sick. It's not bad. Half the time you put fiberglass shit on, it's like, technically looks like a car, but shit is whack as fuck. But yeah, she's looking good, dude. Looking like a whole ass car finally.
All right, next up we got side skirts.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited. Should open that door the full 92 degrees that they open.
Imagine it 3 inches lower.
That's how I imagine every car. It's gonna be sick, dude. It is. Just a few self-tappers and some double-sided tape away from you. Dope. Alright, let's go to John Boy's or something. Right. That noise you just made. Damn, dude.
It's slowly moving forward.
We bought some self-tappers, we bought some
Double-sided
rivets,
tape.
some double-sided tape, all the shit to fit your body kit. All right, so we just cut this part off of the over fender because it was the actual wheel well is like right here on the over fender. So it was kind of like not really letting us properly mount the side skirt.
Now she really do be on her.
No.
She really do be. I like a really do be. Yeah, probably just trim a little more off that guy.
This one?
Yeah, make her flush up. Heck, that's pretty good. Well, the side skirt sucked ass and it took like fucking forever. So we're gonna move on to the trunk wing. I feel like we should double-sided tape this bad bitch.
Down like this.
Yeah. Do some riv dogs on the side and then come back to it when you have more rivets. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Give her the old peely down. This is gonna be a nice, satisfying. Wow. He'll line it up on the back and then push. Cool, you should be able to sit on it now. Oh, what the heck in the world?
Who's that?
Hooey, I don't know. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, welcome to the boons.
Why you gotta show up and outclass all of us?
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's beat.
Yeah, what? That's why it's sick. Oh shit, I missed the high five because I was trying to go to the cross.
Damn, dude. Your seat's got bras on. Lingerie.
Dude, everything stay fucking beautiful in here. I feel like you're always like every other day just posting on like Facebook or Instagram, like, yo, looking for a corner light, looking for
dude.
hood.
Yeah. I've blown this one out like 3 times.
Yeah, that's rough.
Yeah, they're not cheap.
No. This car's so sick though.
Thanks.
This is Julio.
Julio. This is my car. I don't know.
We'll put his Instagram so you can check him out.
Yeah, give me some sweet followers.
Oh hell yeah. Yeah, he's a local dude who's been killing it drifting lately, and this dude. Yeah, winning like everything. And it's a pretty simple car, right? It's like mostly just a stock Silvia, right?
Yeah, it's stock SR, stock T25. It's a high mount intercooler. Champs everywhere. I saw the other car down there.
Yeah.
Missed the turn.
Oh yeah.
And dude, there's a fucking wheel that's shining.
I know. And every time I pass by, I'm like, damn.
Those are like the nicest long chance I've ever
Dude,
seen.
I'm so jealous.
Yeah.
Mine are beat. They're not beat, but then I bent them at park.
Oh shit. So this is what the
I picked those up.
car is basically gonna look like right here. It's got the wing on, it's got the skirt on, it's got the rear bumper. We still have the other side skirt to go, but more or less like this is what it looks like. It's pretty sick.
It looks a little funky because like the gaps and stuff.
Yeah, the gaps are, you know, that's
But like once it's all the same color, you
yeah,
don't want to be able to tell.
that's fiberglass for you.
Like this right here looks funny because it, you know,
Doesn't line up
and then this gap here.
because it's all like different kits and different companies and. But yeah, once it's one color, this thing's gonna be insane. While I was over here bullshitting with Julio, Quentin was doing work.
I got most of it mocked up. Nothing's like on yet. I just gotta cut this a little more so I can get above that, and then start zip tying and self tapping, and then we'll be done.
Hell yeah, dude.
We should take like a couple roller shots.
Yeah, let's do it. I know, I'm hyped to see this thing moving around,
I
all
know,
kitted out.
out of this
It's gonna be
spot.
so good. Just standing right here looking at it, it's so cool. Once it's one color, it's gonna be.
It's really gonna be sick when it's one color. Cause like now it looks kind of janky, honestly.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, we won't lie. It's like 40 different colors.
Yeah. Like even the whites are all different
Yeah.
colors. But yeah, everything fits really good, so I'm hyped.
That's good, yeah. That's the hardest part with fiberglass. Oh yeah. So I guess it's that one he's working on, and then another one up here, and then he's done. And then the car's perfect, and we're gonna enter it in like auto salon, yeah, Wegfest or something. Yeah, we're going to SEMA in this bitch. Yeah, this is definitely. Dude, we should start our own car show called Seaman.
Dude,
This is my Seaman car.
you gotta take off the drive shaft.
Rivato.
All out of those.
Oh fuck it, zip tie or self tapper.
I don't think a self tapper will reach.
Oh shit, you're right.
I bet you there's one around here.
This week on Rivet Hunters.
Ooh, what's that?
Can we find a rivet?
Yeet!
We did it. That was an homage to the last Moist Boys video. Man, I'm hyped on this. This car, see, imagine you're a clipping point and you're standing right here and this car is going right by, except I just smacked the gimbal, but it's just like, you know, real fast and stuff. That's gonna be cool. Damn.
Do you guys watch the Auto Factory Realize one?
I've watched a couple.
Dude, this shit's funny. Eddie's always just filming and will refuse to help. Be like, yo, pass me that. He's like, but but I'm holding the camera. Like, I can't help you.
That's basically me right now. That's when we work on Quentin's car. That's just how I am. And then when we work on my car, that's how Quentin is like 50% of the time. Until I can't do something, then he has to like prove that he can do it.
That's
Like earlier, we were like sitting over there on the 240, and Quentin's over here struggling, just trying to like mock everything up, and the like side skirt just kept falling off, and DJ and I were just like,
It's just over there eating
just
candy and
watching
shit.
her. It's so funny.
All right, everyone keep in mind that we're gonna be painting this thing soon. Once we redo all of this, we can do it properly.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna spray it with some quick shine real quick and give it a rub down.
Alright, smell good. Quentin shined up the car a little bit, just wiped it down, got all the fucking fiberglass shit off of it. They're still looking good, dude.
Just don't look at the front.
Yeah, the front, yeah, whatever. But the back,
This is what I'm trying to get the front end fitment to look like. But I actually want to go lower. I want to get like a tiny bit less of a spacer in the rear, and then when I get new coilovers, I'll drop it down some more.
tell people that you're trying to go 13s on this.
Fuck that.
So I think what we're gonna go for a little drive, get some roller shots, hang out for a bit, and that'll be that. Yep, sounds good. Cool.
Doing science out here, motherfuckers.
See how high we can bounce it.
BD skate park, drinking in the